You are welcome to our YouTube channel Become a Master of CAD Design. In this video, we are going to create this casting model from sketch. Let's start this video. We create new file in which we create this casting model from sketch by using the reference of this drafting. So first we are going to shift this draft half of window so we can take reference from this dimension to create a sketch for our new part which is casting. First go to sketch, select the plane. Now we are going to create curve. Then define our first dimension. So our sketch will be scaled according to that. This is 17.5. This draft angle we provide after completing the solid revolve by using draft feature. Here we are going to define the half of the diameter. So 76 by 2. So this is the radius. Our datum is this face, constant this face, this axis. Okay, dimension is from here to here, 12.5. Next, from here to here, the dimension is 8. Okay, from here to here, the dimension will be 20. Next, 22. From here to here, dimension will be 22. Now we have only one constant needed to fully define this sketch. So we need to find that one, this one. This is 4 from the datum. So from here to here, our sketch is fully constant. Finish this sketch. Now we are going to revolve this. Select the sketch and the vector and the point. Hide this sketch, hide the datum plane. We are going to create a draft angle. For example, where the draft is defined 2 degree, this is a casting, so draft is needed to exact from the die. So when the draft is not specified, there is 1 degree draft. First we apply 2 degree. This is from the dimension. So 2 degree draft we are going to apply from this edge, and the direction will be this 2 degree. Okay, you can change the color. In this phase also 2 degree draft needed. In that case we are going to add material by using draft. This side, yeah, this side, this will add material by using draft. The dimension is measured from this edge and plus draft. 2 degree draft also applied from here. So for example, go to draft, stationary edge, and define a vector. Okay. Other all faces we will apply 1 degree draft. Okay. So you can see draft is applied in all faces. Go to create sketch, select top face, select a horizontal orientation. This is okay. Now we are going to create a sketch. Radius is 10, so the diameter will be 20. So we are going to create a circle of 20. Now the center distance is 49 from the origin. So we are going to define this one. From the x-axis, we are going to constant this point on curve. Case is fully constant. Finish this sketch. Now we are going to extrude this. We use until extend and select this surface. And in boolean we are going to use unite. Press it OK. Now hide this sketch. You can delete or replace this extra surface with our draft face. Next we are going to create this whole dimension. Here you can find 10.5. So we are going to whole feature, select a center and define here the whole dimension 10.5, and this should be through all. We can also provide a draft for this whole also. 1 degree. Go to sketch, select this face, and for origin we are going to select this one and press it OK. Now select the center and define the diameter 22. Same here, 22. Sketch is fully constant. Finish this sketch. Going to extrude this. Okay. Outside the body, we are going to subtract this one. Provide a draft of 1 degree. We are going to provide. Okay. Press it OK. So you can see there is a draft available. Hide this sketch. We created this pocket. You can see here we found weak area in this casting. When we provide this cut, the wall thickness is very less. So we need to provide some material here to strengthen the component, and we also provide some rib here. You can see first create this draft. To create this draft, the dimension is given is 3 and 40 degree. So 3 is from the rib height. This is our rib, 4 rib height from the datum A. 4 plus 3, 7 from datum A. Datum A is also the same level of this face. So we are going to create a plane at a distance of 7 or you can see from here 3 or if you create a datum from here it's 7 So we are going to create datum from here. It is more stable, 7 Press it OK. Now we need to provide angle this 40 degree in both boss. For this we are going to divide the face and then define draft. Divide face, select this face and this face and select this. Divide. You can see our face is divided. Now we are going to apply draft. Stationary edge, we are going to select this edge and draft angle. This is 40 degree. Okay. Same here, we are going to use 40. Okay. And now we are going to check the wall thickness. You can see here now this is not creating a weak section. Next we are going to provide this radius R4. So go to radius, single curve and apply here. In new NX this automatically detect where I am going to select. Some AI is working. You can see here a blue highlighted line. So this is the exact which I am going to select. This so helpful. Next we are going to create this rib. So for this we create a sketch and then provide a rib at 30 degree angle and 60 degree in sequence. Okay, so let's make it. We are going to project some curve here and this is our rib. This okay, and now we are going to dim this. Convert this to reference, this to reference. Finish sketch. Find a rib command or we can search for that. This is the target body is automatically selected. The section is this. Okay, there is a mistake. This section must be at a distance where we want. For example, we want at 4 from this. You can see here the rib thickness is 4 So we are going to reattach this sketch. So we are going to reattach the selected plane. We are going to select this plane and press it OK and finish this sketch. Okay, no problem, the sketch is updated. Now we are going to use rib command and select the section, and the reef thickness is 4 mm, you can see. So already applied. We use symmetry and press it OK. Now we are going to pattern this, so we use pattern feature and select this reef feature and vector and the point. We use 60° pitch and 6 count 360 divided by 60, so it will create 6 count. Okay, now press it OK. Hide this sketch. Now you can see our rev is created. There is some extra faces, so we are going to delete this or replace this with this face. Same here, we are going to replace this face with this. Next we are going to provide this radius. You can see here, go to radius, define here. You can see NX already detect where I am going to select. This is new in NX. I very much like this. But I need to select this curve. Maybe the option it automatically select all in one click. I need to see there is option or not. I am okay with that. This radius is also R4. You can see here radius R4. You can see here the blue highlight line, it automatically detect where I'm going to select. All other radius is R1. You can see unspecified radius is R1. So now we going to use radius, select the body edge, and maybe we use R1 and press it OK. The radius is automatically applied in all over the body in single command. Now we need to delete some radius where we not need it. For example, here we not need the radius, and somewhere here we don't need the radius. Okay, and here we also don't need the radius. So you can see our casting model is created. Now our casting model is ready. We are going to analyze the draft. We need to sure that every faces have draft applied. Go to slope, select our body face, all faces, and select the vector, this vector in the direction of ejection setting, and here we are going to select 3 color. So you can see here a green face. This shows there is no draft applied in this face, and here you also can see green area. In rev area, draft is also not applied. In backside, there is draft applied in all faces. Now we are going to apply some draft in this area and rev area. Extrude, double click on extrude, edit, and here we are going to add draft inside the extrude, so the draft is automatically applied in this bosses. So change the direction of draft, and we are going to provide a draft of 1 degree. Draft is applied. You can see this will add material in boss and press it OK. Now the model is automatically updated, and you can see the draft is applied inside the extrude command. We need to add draft in this rib, so find the rib command in our part navigator, double click on that, and here you can find the draft. Go to draft from the cap, and 1 degree will be applied and press it OK. Now you can see draft is applied. Okay, again we are going to analyze the slope. Select the body face and define the vector, and here we select 3 faces, and now you can see all faces are blue or red. there is no green face. In all faces draft is applied, so this model is ready as a casting model. In next video we are going to create this drafting from this model. We are going to create a die design according to this component. So subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please comment.